Hello everyone, welcome to Yaraa. In today's video, we'll walk through how to install the Yaraa AI Sales Agent from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Let's get started. First, open the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Yaraa AI Sales Agent. Once it appears in the results, click on it to open the listing. Next, click the Install button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use with Yaraa. Select your account and complete the authorization steps. Once this is done, the installation will be completed successfully. After installation, click on the Google Apps icon. From there, you'll find the Yaraa AI Sales Agent. Click on it to open the Yaraa AI Sales Agent backend. At this stage, you'll be asked to sign up or log in using your Google account. Complete the sign-up process to activate your Yaraa AI Sales Agent and proceed to the dashboard. The first step inside the dashboard is to add your website domain. After that, you can continue with the complete setup process. A detailed setup wizard video is already available to guide you through the remaining steps. And that's how you can install the Yaraa AI Sales Agent from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Thank you for watching.